Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. I hope you're doing great, and I'm here again with another DIY recipe, and that would be a probiotic face mask for acne, blemishes, and for just great glowing looking skin. Do not forget to subscribe to Comfort Life channel so you're always up to date with everything I am uploading. I try to upload a lot of DIY recipes and beauty tips, and also great things to know about healthy lifestyle. Let's begin. What is a probiotic face mask? Well, today we have the yogurt, the Greek yogurt, and actually the probiotic capsules. But honestly, something like vinegar and kefir and other probiotic substances are great for your skin because it is like live bacteria or yeasts. They are good for your health and skin included, right? Well, to make this mask, we shall need probiotic ingredients. So we'll start by adding into the bowl, make sure everything is very clean, the Greek yogurt. So I have here the 2% Greek yogurt. I never buy anything fat-free. So let's start by adding a small amount, I would say a teaspoon of Greek yogurt. Well, the reason we're using Greek yogurt, because of its consistency, it's thick, and that's exactly what we need for a mask, so it stays on. Because I think that, normally regular yogurt might be a little too runny, but if you happen to have that on hand, I'm pretty sure you could definitely still try. The next ingredient I'm going to add would be the probiotic capsules. You can use any probiotic you have on hand. It's of course good to have one on hand. So today I'm going to use, you could use 2 to 3 capsules. I'm going to use 2 capsules. I believe that's enough for me. So all you need to do is just open them up and get the contents out. By the way, the probiotic masks, they are like my favorite, really. I feel so good in my skin afterwards. I have another probiotic face mask on my channel, so don't forget and check that out too. So once we've done that, it's very important for us to collect it all and combine in here. The next ingredient we're going to add would be honey. And the honey we shall also need in a very small amount. I would say about half a teaspoon or another teaspoon. So if you see that the mask, it's not enough of yogurt for you to apply the mask, you could add a little more. But the purpose of this mask is not just to put any thick layer. The purpose is just to simply apply it. So I'm going to add half a teaspoon of honey. And please always try to use some good quality honey, something organic or raw or local honey from the local farm markets. And you mix that all up too. And now, of course, it's optional, but I always add that ingredient. It's great for acne prone skin, and that would be tea tree oil. So you don't really need to go crazy at mixing it up because it will again make the yogurt runny. So it's just easier for you to apply it on your face. And we should need only 2 drops of tea tree oil. It's amazing oil for blemishes, irritated skin. So let me just be extra careful and add 2 drops only. And here it is. And once we added that and mixed everything up, I also love to add just a pinch of turmeric powder. I really believe it's great for your skin, for brightening properties, also for fighting acne. By saying just a pinch, maybe half a teaspoon, you could add even less. Don't be afraid that it will make your face yellow, because just make sure you really rinse it off with water really well. Because once you've done doing this mask, you will definitely use like a toner or an astringent or both, for your face, and whatever yellow might be left, it will be gone. And of course you could, if you're still in doubt, use it in the evening, and in the morning when you wash your face again, it will be gone 100%. So now actually the way you're using it, clean your face, and it's great to steam your face before doing any mask. I would say you just apply it with your hands gently all over your face in circular motions. Just avoid the under eye area and let it sit for 5 or 10 minutes. Relax and think that this mask is doing great things to your face. I think that's really great to think things like this when you're applying something on your face and waiting great results, right? And then you rinse it off well with water, just proceed with your regular skincare routine. I do believe this is a great mask, really. It's my to-go mask at all times. You just throw the ingredients in here, and again, you know, tea tree oil could be optional. You could use lavender, you could use clary sage, geranium, frankincense. They're all great for acne prone skin. I will actually put the list of the oils good for oily and acne prone skin in the description bar down below this video. And turmeric is optional too, but it's really great for your skin. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you will like it. Please share you know, the results, and you could enjoy this mask, I would say, every second day, every third day, depending on your skin condition and the results you want to achieve. Thank you so much for watching this video. I wish you to stay very beautiful, handsome, happy, and healthy, of course, and I will be so glad to see you in my next video.